again. There's somebody sitting at my tree that I like to climb in. So I found another group of trees. I'm trying to figure out where I want to go. There's some beautiful trees here. Look at this. There's so many to choose from. This one looks nice. Look at that double trunk thing going. This looks kind of cool. What do you think? Double trunk. Huh. Let's give it a shot. All right, well, got up the tree. I don't know how high we are. It's not that high. Look at this view. Stream, creek down there.
One, two, three, four.
When the wind whispers to me from somewhere behind the trees, and it tells me crazy things like my head is full of beans. The night rain All right, I'm back at the park. Hopefully you enjoyed that little drone flight. Back on my favorite tree. I've been checking out this other tree here. It is a monster. Check this out, but the coolest thing, it's 3 trees in very close proximity, which tells me, check this out. That sucker's way up there. But then you got tree number 2 and tree number 3, which has a double trunk. Look at that. And I see a hammock right there. Oh my gosh. I could totally use this branch to suspend myself off of while I have the hammock going between these two trees. Where do I climb up? I can do some traversing practice here too. Sweet. I might try to get on this branch here.
But when you're feeling lonely, you know just what to do. So put a jacket never, you know where to grow. My friend, the cosmos is calling. Say yeah, that we all should be
I don't know if my rope's long enough. Ooh, I think I'm gonna play in this tree for a little bit before the sun sets. Oh look, there's the mailman. My rope bag is there. Anyway, let's climb up the tree.
Who are you? The question just echo. Trapped in this sandcastle and needing to let go. Can anyone hear me now? Can anyone hear me now? Fanatical phone addicts lack eye contact as a tactic. Pupils glued to their screens beam out to the cybergalactic. And real life now seems so damn anticlimactic. Everyone's a stranger hiding inside higher tax brackets. I don't want my intelligence to be artificial, or someone telling me, selling me it's more beneficial. So slow down ahead, this curve goes exponential with catastrophic unintentional consequence potential. Who are we now? Who are we now? All I hear on the news is about Iranian uranium and how everybody loses when they're invading the Ukrainians. They're enslaving the third world natives and they call it saving them. I have the dose of my utopium to cope with pain inside my cranium. I just gotta calm down, I need more patience. But my heart just doesn't resound with the sound of technological salvation. The distance between the new nations, people on the ground at the space stations. And this acceleration just seems bound for devastation. It's starting to feel like this is all just a simulation. With sky painted on the ceiling in plastic vegetation. We're all looking for something with meaning. What it means to be a human. What it means to just be humans being. Are we now? Who are we now? And I don't even understand the idea of nature versus nurture. If humans are just animals, then isn't it just a merger? When did civilization even decide on its departure? If we don't nurture Mother Nature, we're just wrecking our own future. In the jungles of concrete, people feed on bipolarity, medicating away all the clarity, so that there would be never a hope for solidarity. And apparently, nature fades into obscurity, as we tragically and rapidly head for the singularity. Who are you? The question just echo. Trapped in this sandcastle and needing to let go. Can anyone hear me now? Can anyone hear me now?
All right, well, that was fun. Got to do a little bit of climbing, a little bit of chilling up there. I don't have a pocket I can easily access for my phone, so I wasn't able to use my phone up there. But I like this tree, but the triple trees behind it, it's unbelievable. I gotta try that one out. I need a bigger rope. But I tried throwing my throw line over one of the lower branches. I think I can do it. It's just gonna take some practice. But great day of climbing. I'll do a little bit more tomorrow. You guys have a great evening. We'll see you next time.